The mutation processes, like in our tradition, we have fire walking, all these transmutation processes. The word may look too big, so don't worry. Means balancing the system and awakening the whole consciousness to your whole body is what I call transmutation processes. Means some parts of your body becomes insensitive to the existence because of the job it is doing, like a feet, because of the continuous walking, it becomes insensitive. Your cheeks, how they are sensitive, they don't become they lose sensitivity to the reality. But for the complete Kundalini awakening, your whole body needs to be alive and experiencing the reality and ability to experience the higher consciousness. That is the reason we have the process of fire walking. Understand, each of these process has a reason. Certain mutation actions need to be done to your body. Let me explain the mutation actions. Fire walking and taking bath in the turmeric water is one of the most powerful mutation. Understand, this season, this month, Adi month, is the usual season for dengue and all types of fevers. Hinduism is so intelligent. Everything is inculcated as a religious and spiritual practice. Do fire walking and take bath in the turmeric water. Keep few neem leaves outside the house. I challenge you will not have dengue. You will not have any of these fevers, these problems. Even with dengue, if you go to doctors, many doctors say, no, boil neem leaf in the water and drink. அதைத்தானடா நாங்கள் சொல்லிக்கிட்டு இருக்கோம் 60,000 வருஷமா. If you walk on fire, the small wounds may not get created. Whether it gets created or not, it is mutation of the body. See, one of the side effects is health. There are other side effects where certain intense energies are awakened and negativities are nullified. See, the depth with which you feel violence and violated, with that same depth, if you feel sacrifice and commitment, devotion, that violence in you will be muted. The actions which you will feel violated if you are forced, you are doing it voluntarily in the name of your devotion and commitment and sacrifice to the God or goddess, becomes tapas, mutation of your fundamental instincts. If you are pierced, you will feel violated. If you are put in fire, you will feel violated. You will become violent. That same instinct is kindled. You go through that same instinct, that same action, that same thing with the clarity dedicated to my Kuladevata, dedicated to my Ishtadevata, my sacrifice to my Ishtadevata, Kuladevata. The same intensity is awakened, but muting your feeling violated. Sacrifice mutes, transmutes the feeling violation. Tapas transmutes the feeling violated, violence. Understand? Certain acts like fire walking, body piercing, all these are the third dimension of Aushadha.